Question number 4 of test series 10 is from structural analysis, and in this question a beam is given, an arch is given, that is a 3-hinged arch which is having pinned support at both ends and uniform load which is acting at distance of 2 meter of 10 kilonewton per meter, and reaction at B is 32 kilonewton which is acting at height of 4 meter, and distance of hinge from support A, this is B and this is C. BC is also 5 meter, AB is also 5 meter, and in this question it is asked that what is value of horizontal C. Now at first instance it looks that structure is statically indeterminate of static indeterminacy 1, but we have one additional equation that MB is equal to 0. So this is an additional equation. One equation is summation of horizontal force is equal to 0, next is summation of vertical force is equal to 0, and third one is summation of moments is equal to 0 about point A, point C, whatever we want to take. Now let us apply summation MA equal to 0 and get value of VC. So it comes as VC multiplied by 10 minus 32 into 5 because of this constant force that is acting at B, minus 10 into 2 into 1 because of this small UDL, which should be equal to 0. So VC comes out to be 18 kilonewton in upward direction. Now once VC is known, let us split this structure into two parts. Let us take this arch like this, VC, and HC acting here. Let us assume that direction to be on left side. So this is point B, and from this condition that is marked as 1, moment about B, be it BC or AB, should be equal to 0. So we can write that minus 18 into 5 because of VC plus HC into 4, that should be equal to 0, from where HC comes out to be 22.5 kilonewton, and that too positive. Now since positive assumed direction is on left side and answer is also coming out to be positive, so correct answer for question number 4 is option C.